Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today we're talking about a new journey that I'm beginning when it comes to my hair. And I've been dealing with an issue with my hair where my hair is thin on top. Plus, I'm dealing with a patch of hair that's not there. So I'm wanting to find a way that I can grow it back if I can to some capacity. And I've been trying some shampoos. I haven't really tried any supplements. Nothing's really worked. Well, a company called iRestore reached out to me to see if I wanted to put their device to the test. So here in my hands, I'm excited because I have their newest version. This is called the Professional, and iRestore seems to be the company that is leading in the industry with helping people with hair growth and helping fill out those spots. So we'll see how it works. They do have some supplements, they do have shampoos, and I only had them send me their device. They also sent me the battery pack, so I don't need to be sitting and having it plugged in for it to work. And I'm really impressed with what they've done with this professional device versus the previous one, as well as other companies out there. So I don't have a whole lot of experience on this, but I look forward to giving you my unbiased opinion. And what really impressed me was seeing the results that people are having. As you can see here, these are some before and after photos. People are seeing results, and that's great. So we'll see how well it works for me. Now I'll be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comment section below, so you could check it out. You could see the professional version. If there's any promotions, you can also check it out, and I'll give you an update over a period of time. In addition to the device, you get this very nice booklet, which has got some really good information, and you also have the charger for charging the battery pack. Now let's talk about this device. This is a low-level laser therapy. Again, this is iRestore. This is FDA cleared. It's clinically proven and non-invasive, and you use this for 25 minutes every other day. Now, on the inside, as you can see here, it's got a lot of different points on the device. It's got 282 lasers and LEDs, and many others only have lasers or LEDs. Then they also have these soft pieces here that help it make it more comfortable wearing the device. So there you go. And then you just have this one cable, and then this just sits on your head like this. And one of the things that you will notice is that there is a larger area that it's going to cover over your head, which you ultimately want because you want to get the maximum results of the laser therapy. Now, the way this device works is you have your button there, you press that, turns it on, you can see 25 minutes. It also shows you how much battery life is remaining in the pack, and then you just press the play button and you can see the light underneath the device is on. And now it is just doing its thing, sitting at my desk, working, sitting in the living room, wherever I want. I don't have to be stuck at a place where I plug it in, which is nice with the battery pack. Now, if I were to take this off in the middle of a session, they do have a safety feature where it does turn the device temporarily off until you put it back on, and then you press the play button, and then it starts the session back. You can certainly stop it and pause it like that, and then it pauses it, and you'll see it flashes. And then if you want to just turn it off altogether, you press and hold it. Now it is off, and the battery pack comes off like this, comes back on. You just put that together, and there you go. Now, just a couple of things that which I've learned about the device that they've shared. There is a 12-month money-back guarantee, so there is little risk, high reward for you, which I'm excited to see over the next year and to give you an update on my progress. But it does say it's a hands-free design, so you can multitask while getting treatment in. The low-level light therapy is like watering plants. Hair is either in the process of growing, resting, or falling out. The light energy acts like water nutrients that are absorbed by your hair follicles to keep your hair in the growing phase. It also mentions laser hair therapy can be used in conjunction with topical treatments, hair transplants, PRP treatments, etc. So if you are doing something else, then you can certainly use the device in addition. So I'm excited for my journey. I look forward to giving you, again, my unbiased opinion as we go. And today begins my first session with the iTherapy professional device. So until the next video, stay tuned. On my journey, it begins, and I'm excited to see if it works for me. So thanks for your time. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.